So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in NVIDIA control panel. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on manage 3D settings. And then once you're on this, make sure that you're on the global settings tab. Now we're going to scroll down till we find shader cache. Here it is. You're going to click on this shader cache size. You're going to set this to disabled. And then click on apply. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in %local app data %sign. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down till we find NVIDIA. Double click on that. We're now going to be having two folders, DX cache and geocache. We're going to delete everything in both these folders. So for the first one, DX cache, double click on it. Now once you're on this, do Ctrl A to highlight everything and then click on delete. Some things may not be deleted, that's fine. We're going to click on cancel. Now we're going to click on NVIDIA again and then click on geocache and then do the same thing, Ctrl A, delete. Again, some items may not be deleted, that's fine. We're going to click on cancel. And now for the last step, you're going to come back into NVIDIA control panel, go back to manage settings, make sure that you're in the global settings tab. Now you're going to scroll down till we find shader cache size. You're going to expand the drop down and then click on driver defaults and then click on apply. That's how you do it.